Bitcoin money sort of in a real sense has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28 in a by and large significant manner, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. BCH United States dollar exchanges close $248.26 in a kind of enormous manner. BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA20 in a significant way in an unobtrusive way. The especially certainly current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money, explicitly in every practical sense, is at $382,789,753, essentially sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. 31 July 2023. In this video we will in every way that really matters, truly walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these regularly, sort of gotten clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What most certainly is extremely momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin money, for the most part is BCH a by and large wise venture, or so they sort of thought, which most certainly is very huge. Bitcoin money support and obstruction levels and so on, so the essentially current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money fundamentally in a real sense is at $382,789,753 in an unobtrusive manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the BCH specialized examination in a real sense, let us truly discuss the pretty certainly current economic situations, or so they for the most part truly thought. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the all things considered whole cryptographic money market to $1,177,517,732,560, showing how yet prior to plunging extremely profound into the BCH specialized examination, certainly let us basically discuss the actually especially current economic situations, which most certainly is very huge, which explicitly is very critical. The essentially in every practical sense, complete exchanging volume, fundamentally remains at $30,011,818,165 in an all things considered, exceptionally large way. Bitcoin shares 48.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33% in a by and large significant manner in an unpretentious manner, which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,221.93 level after a decay of 0.47% in an unpretentious manner, which is genuinely critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally in a real sense, has seen a value reduction of 0.83%, coming to $1,859.27 during the past 24 hours, which basically sort of is very critical in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.34 following a value change of 0.45% within a similar time period, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part by and large has seen a value lessening of 0.83%, coming to $1,859.27 during the past 24 hours, which especially is very huge, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. XRP, the by and large especially local coin of XRP in a real sense is somewhere around 2.36 and presently exchanging at 70 cents in an unpretentious manner, or so they generally thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a sort of essentially significant way. These occasions by and large demonstrate that the market especially is going in a very extremely descending course, for genuinely momentary in a for the most part enormous manner. As of now and in every practical sense, general fundamentally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which all things considered, shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value reduction of 0.83%, coming to $1,859.27 during the past 24 hours, or so they most certainly thought in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin money backing and obstruction backing and opposition most certainly are significant specialized pointers used to actually basically distinguish sort of key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in an unobtrusive way. Support in every way that really matters, basically is a level at which purchasers generally fundamentally become substantially more truly dynamic and, for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in an unpretentious manner in a significant way. Similarly, opposition by and large is a level at which dealers explicitly move commonly truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which especially shows that 31 July 2023. In this video we will in a real sense especially walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for the following week and truly attempt to answer these much of the time. Truly got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What by and large for the most part is somewhat transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money, by and large is BCH a very wise speculation, or so they for the most part generally thought in a truly significant manner, following especially in every way that really matters, are the help and opposition levels of Bitcoin money, BCH Bitcoin money execution. The reasonably truly current Bitcoin money cost explicitly is $248.26, with an exchanging volume of $382,789,753, in the very kind of beyond 24 hours, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Right now, BCH most certainly in every practical sense is somewhere near 1.73% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,832,074,016 United States dollars, showing how XRP, the local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere near 2.36, and as of now exchanging at 70 cents in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin money value examination BCH cost examination for 31 July 2023, insight and all things considered, everyday time period by and large, truly made sense of beneath in a kind of really significant manner. We use in every practical sense, relative strength INDEX RSI, moving especially lovely normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of truly straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and outstanding moving quite normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Bitcoin Cash. While BCH's Williams %R marker basically is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange, especially truly signal for the most part is essentially genuinely conceivable at this reach, especially certainly further appearance how the by and large current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money is at $382,789,753, which outrageously is genuinely critical. The very relative strength list RSI demonstrates that the BCH coin by and large especially is an oversold stage, as RSI certainly is at 25, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The MACD line fundamentally basically is remaining beneath of the sort of sine line after a hybrid, exhibiting how moreover, Coco's BCH